In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook error receiving email step by step. If your Outlook is not receiving new emails, delayed emails, or missing messages completely, this guide will walk you through the most common fixes that solve the problem for most users. These steps work for both Outlook desktop and Outlook app users, and you don't need any technical experience to follow along. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you fix your issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Outlook relies on a stable internet connection to send and receive emails, so if your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is unstable or disconnected, emails will not come through. Try opening a website in your browser to confirm your internet is working. If your connection is fine and Outlook is still not receiving emails, the next thing to check is whether Outlook is in work offline mode. This is one of the most common reasons emails stop syncing. To check this, open Outlook and go to Settings. From there, click on General, then select Offline. Look for the option that says Work Offline or Working in Offline Mode. If this option is turned on, Outlook will not receive new emails. Make sure it is toggled off. If it is already off, that means Outlook is not in offline mode, and you can move on to the next step. If Outlook still isn't receiving emails, the next thing you should check is your junk email settings. Sometimes Outlook mistakenly sends valid emails to the junk folder. To review this, go to Settings, then Mail, and click on Junk Email. Check your junk folder to see if your missing emails are there. If you find important emails, mark them as not junk so Outlook learns from it in the future. While you're here, also make sure your junk email filters aren't set too aggressively. Next, check your mailbox storage. If your Outlook mailbox is full, new emails may not be delivered. Look for any storage warnings at the top of Outlook or in your account settings. If your storage is full or close to full, delete unnecessary emails, empty the deleted items folder, and clear out large attachments to free up space. Another important thing to try is turning off any VPN you might be using. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Outlook's ability to connect to mail servers properly. Temporarily disable your VPN and then restart Outlook to see if emails start coming through. Speaking of restarting, make sure you fully close and restart the Outlook app. This refreshes the connection and often fixes temporary sync issues. If you're using Outlook on your computer, close it completely and reopen it. If you're on mobile, force close the app and open it again. In most cases, following these steps will fix the Outlook error receiving email issue. Once Outlook reconnects properly, new emails should begin syncing automatically. If this video helped you solve your Outlook problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.